Welcome to the Visionary Talks. I'm here with Joe from Cisco. Joe, would you mind introduce yourself shortly?
Sure, my name is Joe Clark. I work for Cisco. I'm a Distinguished Services Engineer working in our Network Operations Center here at Cisco Live, and I'm the co-lead for the data center. So I work very closely with NetApp, with Aaron, our on-site NetApp engineer, to build out the Metro Cluster solution we use to power the network here.
Well, you know, we are NetApp. We have a soft spot for Cisco, hence we're here. And for me, it's always super exciting when I get to see FlexPod. So when I came over to Nokia, I was like, wow, it's incredible to see how far we've come, and seeing, you know, such a present place at Cisco. So can you tell me a little bit about NOC, and you know where we are, where we're going next, what is exciting for you?
Sure. NetApp has been a great partner for the past 3 years. When I was asked to do the data center, I immediately thought of NetApp for our storage solution. Reached out, and that's when you helped us build the Metro Cluster solution we're using. We've used it here, we've used it in the US. It's been phenomenal. We are way over provisioned for what we need, but we'd rather have more than less in terms of storage, in terms of storage bandwidth, in terms of reliability. And in fact, when we were here, there was another conference before us, and when they were shutting down, they pulled the power accidentally on our circuits, so we lost an entire core, immediately failed over to the second core, everything kept working, and when we went to bring the first core back up, flawless. So it really stands the test of an event network, which is something we absolutely need.
Absolutely, no. I used to work in events, and for me, it's always about being able to come up with a solution. Like, there was something going on. You have to be always ready for a backup plan. And what you're telling me sounds fantastic. You know, to know, like, no matter what happens, it's still gonna be back on.
That's right. And next year we're looking to we're considering the IP only Metro Cluster. We're looking to continue this because Cisco Live continues to grow. So we need to step up our game. We need to add more bandwidth. We need to add more services for our users. We need to do more with automation. And NetApp has been there right with us, supporting us, enabling us to deliver this to our attendees.
Well, we are happy to do so. Honestly, I've been to Cisco Live for the last 5 years, and where Cisco Live has been before and where we're now, it's just incredible to see the growth and the community growing and the excitement that it creates. And it's just so great to be here and make sure and just know that everything's reliable and powered by the alliance relationship we've been building over the last probably more than 10 years.
Yeah, we're thrilled with the support we received, and it's very helpful to know that we've got not only the equipment, but we have the engineering background with your support as well. Because, and quite frankly, we don't do this in a vacuum. There are a lot of people, a big team of network engineers that come together to build this network, and having NetApp a part of that is great. Aaron flows very well with us. We all get along. We all have a lot of fun doing this together.
Yeah, I'm actually really excited about Aaron's presentation tomorrow. Hopefully, I'll get more insight from behind the scenes. But thanks for sharing. Thanks for sharing your insight. Hopefully, we'll still keep the partnership and grow also with Cisco Live. One of the things I want to ask you, though, is with NetApp, we care deeply about data. We take data very seriously. For us, data is the lifeblood of any organization. So what are your thoughts about data? Is there any specific trends you're excited about?
Well, even in Cisco, data is critical. I mean, what we do, what we know about our customers is critical, and helping them explore what they can get out of it. So here, specifically at Cisco Live, I'm more interested in what we can learn, how we can correlate bits of data to help our customers realize things. Because a lot, you mentioned the presentation tomorrow, a lot of what they're looking for is not it's the fun stories, yeah, but it's also tell us about your experience and how can you relate it to us. And if we can show how we can take bits of data from different applications, from different services, tie that together to provide them operational insights and give them more value out of their network, give them more value out of their storage solution, then we've won. And so I'm looking to see how we can connect those dots to give the customers more of what they're looking for and prove the value of what we're selling them in terms of solutions.
Absolutely. I mean, I can't agree more. I just love hearing those customer stories as well. It's really a rewarding experience to know that what you do had made a difference, and it's all because of this partnership. And thanks for being here with us. We're happy to continue that going forward. But before you go, I have a special question for you. Okay. So, what if you have to choose one superhero that he could be today, who that would be?
Wow, one superhero I could be. Well, I've always fancied myself as wanting to be immortal. And quite a few superheroes have at least some inkling of that. But I think I would probably go with Superman, not because I want super strength, but because I do want to be able to live and see a lot more. So anything that would allow me to live a lot longer and not grow old or just have that vitality, I think I would go with that.
Wow, you can't go wrong with Superman, huh? Honestly, that's the most sophisticated answer I've ever got to that question, so thanks for that.
Please.
Thank you for being on Data Visionary Talks. Thanks for watching. Until the next time.